Growing your own fruits and vegetables gives you all the enjoyment of gardening, plus the garden-to-table nutrition and wealth only available from homegrown yields. These 8 simple-to-grow foods illustrate vividly how simple it is to grow and enjoy your own vegetables. Starting off green, bell peppers evolve to red, orange, yellow, purple, and even chocolate brown. Pick them early. They still color up but lack sweetness. Discover everything there is to know about cultivating your own bell peppers at home. Caneberries include blackberries and raspberries. They offer delicious fruits for you and your family, as well as goodies for birds and butterflies. Though important, pruning is made simple by nature as well. Discover how to prune blackberries and raspberries, as well as how to cultivate them. Summer arrives too quickly for most gardeners to seed cool-loving cabbage. Even if summer comes before you are ready to plant cabbage seeds, you can still plant mid to late summer and harvest a lot of produce come fall.
If you like the content so far, please subscribe and like this channel. This will motivate me to continue to create good content.
Discover everything there is to know about homegrown red cabbage, including making kraut. Unless you grow them in containers, vining cucumbers need some space. Include a trellis, your harvest remains more fruitful and healthier. Learn more about growing cucumbers, both in containers and in the ground, for a taste of summer. Although spring is ideal for planting garlic, fall-planted garlic produces larger, better yields. Ensure garlic is exposed to sufficient cold temperatures when growing, or the bulb-like heads will not separate into cloves. Discover everything there is to know about cultivating tasty garlic at home. Flavorful foods that return year upon year are strawberries. You have several options. Some send out runners that root and produce baby plants, thereby expanding your patch at no additional cost. Discover how to cultivate your own delectable strawberries in a home garden. Whether you prefer small cherry and grape varieties or large, meaty tomatoes, these heat-loving tropics are easy to cultivate in big, beautiful pots or vegetable gardens. Cages for plants assist to maintain their health and simplify harvests. Just follow these straightforward procedures to start growing your own tomatoes. At the end of spring planting season, directly sow zucchini and other squash seeds into your garden. Store thick-skinned squash for winter. Consume soft-skinned squash when ripe. Discover how to raise zucchini and squash, including their delectable blooms. With easy-to-grow fruits and vegetables like these, you will see how simple, fulfilling, and fun cultivating your own is. Sevin insecticides and Corey's slug and snail killer will help you keep your homegrown produce safe and pest-free as you expand. Apply Pennington Ultra Green All-Purpose Plant Food 10-10-10 to the soil surrounding your plants if you want to produce larger vegetables and more fruits. The nutrient-rich formula begins feeding right away and runs for up to 4 months. Always choose the best pesticide and slug and snail killer suitable for you, and always match your plants and bugs to the product label. Committed to helping you grow lovely, fruitful gardens and enjoy all the fruits and veggies of your work.